Are your support agents overwhelmed with incidents? Do you want to reduce incident volumes and improve customer experience? Introducing Case Deflection Feature, your one-click solution. Log into your account for any issue and prepare to be amazed. When customers initiate a new query and start filling the form, our instance springs into action, seamlessly navigating our knowledge database, seeking past issues related to query. And then, we uncover the solution from the past resolved issue and knowledge base. With just a simple click, they seek an instant answer that saves time and eliminates the need to wait to create a query and go through the resolution cycle. Moreover, it empowers customers to confirm their satisfaction, enabling us to gather data insights for improvement of our feature. But what if you're still stuck? Don't worry, you have the option to escalate the issue with a single click and a new incident is raised. As we wrap up case deflection, it's not just about fewer incidents. Unlock the power of automation and self-service to elevate your customer support to new heights.